we're done with the setup of SSH and Maven. Let's go ahead and configure Jenkins with certain plugins. But before doing that, we need to set up some of the Maven settings for the Jenkins user as well. So let's get to the browser here, and we still have Jenkins running on 8090. Going to create or click on Manage Jenkins, click on Configure System. Okay, and we are going to make some changes here, which is probably not in this section, but it would be in global tool configuration. Okay, so here we're going to use the default Maven settings, the default location for JDK, and we have the default installation for Git, and Maven will be providing the Maven installation where the Maven is. So let's get started with each one of these installations. So the JDK is actually, if we look at our profile, and I'm going to exit out of this for now, and if I do cd, or if I do echo $java home, so that's the path to the JDK, right? So that would be the JDK. Or actually, that would be the Java home, and that would be Java. Okay, so Maven settings, it's going to use the default settings. I don't need to give it the path. It should take it from the Jenkins user. Git, it's going to use the default Git installation. So, and then we do need to specify the Maven folder where we have the installation, right? So if I do cd devops and I do Apache Maven, and that is the default installation for the Maven installation that we have on the file system. Okay, so I don't want to install, and actually you can just call it Maven, right? Go ahead and apply and save. Okay, so we need to install a bunch of plugins. I'm going to go to Manage Plugins, go to Available, and let's take a look at what are the plugins that we need. So we need 5 plugins. We'll start with one at a time. Conditional, build step plugin, and then deploy to container plugin, and we have those 2 running right now. So the AND plugin, the Maven integration plugin, and let's go back in here, go to click on manage plugins. So we got 2 of them. Environment injector plugin, and we'll see how we want to use this in a bit. Okay, so that's going on, and then git parameter plugin, okay, and then GitHub branch source plugin, which should be already installed. Yeah, I think it's already installed. So we have most of the plugins that we needed. and I think it did install all of them successfully. We're going to restart Jenkins so that those plugins take into effect. So now that we have the plugins installed, let's actually go ahead and also configure the plugins once Jenkins restarts. So it's still restarting Jenkins, and once it's restarted, we should be able to go back to the dashboard and password.